If Lucidchart is giving you an export error, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the fastest ways to fix it step by step. Whether your file is failing to export as a PDF, PG, or another format, these simple troubleshooting methods can usually get you back on track in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes just like this. Let's start with the first and often easiest fix: changing the file format. Sometimes Lucidchart has trouble exporting certain file types, especially if the diagram is complex or includes lots of vector shapes. To try this, go to the top left menu, click File, then choose Export. If you are trying to export as PDF, switch to a lighter format like PNG or JPEG instead. These formats usually take less processing power and can often export successfully when PDF fails. After selecting the new format, try to download again and see if the error is gone. If that still doesn't work, the next thing to check is your canvas settings. A large or infinite canvas can create oversized documents that may exceed Lucidchart's export limits. To fix that, go back to File, then open Document Settings. In the Canvas and Page section, look for Infinite Canvas and turn it off. This can help reduce the export size and make the document easier for Lucidchart to process. Once you've changed that setting, try exporting your file again and see if it completes normally. Now let's move on to browser issues, because these are another very common cause of export errors. Sometimes browser cache, cookies, or extensions can interfere with the download process. A quick way to test this is to open a Chrome Incognito window or another private browsing window, then log into Lucidchart and try the export again. If the export works in incognito mode, that usually means something in your normal browser is causing the issue. In that case, clear your browser cache and cookies, and if needed, disable extensions like ad blockers or privacy tools that may be blocking parts of the export process. If the export still fails, the problem may be with the document itself. A corrupted file or a damaged diagram can sometimes cause Lucidchart to throw an error during export. The best way to test that is to duplicate the document and export the copy instead. Go back to your Lucidchart account dashboard, find the diagram, right-click it, and select Duplicate. Then open the duplicated version and try exporting that fresh copy. In many cases, the new file exports without any issues because it creates a cleaner version of the document. So to quickly recap, if you're seeing a Lucidchart export error, try changing the export format first, then disable Infinite Canvas, then clear browser clutter by testing in incognito mode, and finally duplicate the file if you suspect corruption. One of these fixes usually solves the problem. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next troubleshooting guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.